If you're looking for a fast and budget-friendly way to optimize your content for better search rankings, then you came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Content Raptor's Google Search Console integration step by step. Content Raptor is an all-in-one content optimization tool that helps you analyze your site's data, improve your SEO, and get actionable suggestions to boost your rankings. One of its standout features is its seamless integration with Google Search Console, which makes it easier than ever to optimize your content based on real-time search data. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect Google Search Console to your website, especially if you're using WordPress, link Content Raptor to Google Search Console, and use Content Raptor to unlock optimization opportunities and track your progress. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, what is Google Search Console? Google Search Console, or GSC for short, is a free tool from Google that helps you monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your website's performance in Google search results. So whether you're tracking your clicks, impressions, or search queries, Google Search Console provides invaluable insights into how people find your website on Google. Key features of Google Search Console: performance data, so you can track clicks, impressions, average position, and click-through rate for your pages. Index coverage, see which pages are indexed and identify issues. Enhancements, get suggestions on improving mobile usability in core web vitals. How do I connect Google Search Console to my website? So if you haven't already connected Google Search Console to your website, here's how to do it. Now, I'll be focusing on WordPress since it's the most common content management system. Step-by-step instructions. Sign in to Google Search Console. So go ahead and click the link down in the description to navigate to Google Search Console and log in with your Google account. Add your website. Click Add Property and enter your website URL. Select the URL prefix method for WordPress sites. Verify ownership. Google will give you several options to verify your site. The easiest method for WordPress users is to use the HTML tag verification option. Paste the verification code. In your plugin settings, find the option to add a Google Search Console verification code. Paste the code and save changes. Verify in Google Search Console. Go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. Now, if you don't have a WordPress website, but you'd like to get one set up and you need a reliable hosting solution for your WordPress website, then you should definitely check out Hostinger. Hostinger has several different extremely affordable plans and fast performance to power your SEO strategy. If you want to get started with Hostinger, just click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. They currently have their 80% off deal running right now. So if you click the link down in the description, just click on that and then click on Start Now, and you can go ahead and choose from one of their 3 different plans. They have the premium plan, the business plan, and the cloud startup plan. Now, if you're just getting started, this is your very first website, then the premium plan is going to be more than enough. You can create 100 websites. It has managed hosting for WordPress, supports about 25,000 visits monthly, gives you 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free email, weekly backups, free domain for the first year, and a whole lot more. So if you want to get started, go ahead and just click on choose the plan. For this example, go ahead and choose the premium plan. Now, the last thing you got to do here is go ahead and select the term that you want to commit to, whether that's 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. We'll go ahead and choose 12 months for this option. And the last thing you want to do is come over here and click on coupon code and type in code StartupWise and click apply. And then as you can see, for only $32.29, you get a full year of hosting with Hostinger, where you can host your WordPress website and connect it to Google Search Console. Again, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started and use code StartupWise at checkout. How to navigate Google Search Console. First one is the performance tab. Here you can see metrics like clicks, impressions, and your site's average ranking position. Next is index coverage. Check which pages are indexed and identify any indexing errors. Enhancements. Get suggestions to improve mobile usability, page speed, and more. Now, the performance tab is particularly important because it shows you which pages are driving traffic and which search terms are helping you rank. Now, this is where Content Raptor will come into play. How to connect Google Search Console to Content Raptor. Log into Content Raptor. Now, if you don't already have a Content Raptor account, we'll go ahead and leave a link for you down in the description to get started. You can go ahead and click the link down below in the description, which brings you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and get started with your free 7-day trial. After you go ahead and click on Start My Trial, it'll bring you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and get started with an email and a password. We'll go ahead and click on Continue. Then it's just going to have you verify your email. So go ahead and sign into the email that you signed up with to verify your Content Raptor account. So after you you verify your email address, this is where you can go ahead and connect your Google Search Console. You go ahead and just click continue right here. Click on the Google Search Console integration option. Next, you have to authorize access. So sign in with the Google account connected to your Google Search Console property. Next, grant Content Raptor permission to access your Google Search Console data. Next, choose your domains. So select the domains that you want to track and analyze. Content Raptor allows you to monitor up to 3 domains per account. And just like that, you're done. Now you're connected. Content Raptor will start pulling real-time data from Google Search Console. The entire process takes just a few minutes or two, and once it's set up, you'll see the magic happen. How to use Content Raptor once it's connected. Data-driven insights. So after connecting Google Search Console, Content Raptor analyzes your site's data and identifies opportunities for quick wins. It highlights underperforming pages and gives you keyword suggestions. The More Opportunities tab points out sections to add or new content ideas. Next is the Content Editor. Content Raptor shows you entity coverage score. So this ensures that your content hits the optimal range for search engine result page entities. Next is the Rank Tracker. So Content Raptor tracks how well your content ranks for up to 150 keywords per site. Here's what you'll see: biggest gains and losses in rankings, new optimization opportunities to improve visibility. Next is the Paragraph Rewrite tool. Need to update small sections? Then use the Paragraph Rewriter to generate optimized text. While this feature uses credits, it's a fast way to refresh content without manual effort. Advanced tips for maximizing Content Raptor's potential. Track keyword trends. Use Google Search Console's performance data in combination with Content Raptor's rank tracker to spot trending keywords. Optimize for search engine results page entities. So the entity coverage score in Content Raptor is a game changer, and here's how you can use it effectively. Check which entities are underrepresented in your content. Add more relevant entities to enhance the depth of your content. Content Raptor pricing. Content Raptor starts at $47 per month. For $47 per month, you get advanced integrations with tools like Google Search Console and WordPress, access to features like the rank tracker, paragraph rewriter, and entity optimization, the ability to monitor multiple domains for agencies and site owners. The value of these features easily outweighs the costs. And there you have it. By integrating Google Search Console with Content Raptor, you can leverage real search data to optimize your content faster and more effectively. Now, if you want to try it out yourself, don't forget to take advantage of their 7-day free trial. We'll go ahead and leave a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. But other than that, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.